Hey guys, it's Kierstyn. So today is my birthday and I'm about to head out to go to dinner with some of my friends. So I'm just going to show you guys like getting ready with me, and I'll just like chit chat with you all. You'll see my whole outfit, my hair, my makeup, everything like that. So I'm moving my hands way too much. So just continue on watching and we'll go ahead and get started. I have a weird setup right now. I'm like close to my wall. Can't like move. I'm going to put my hair up so I don't get foundation in it. Okay, so I'm starting with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline. I really like this stuff. I just put it like on my nose. Hopefully my camera doesn't die because it has a tendency of not liking it to stay on for long. Now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 220 because I have like self tanner on right now. I don't know if you can like see it. You probably can, but I'm going to match that. Make sure I blend it into my hairline. I don't like when my foundation looks cakey, so I'm really trying to like pat it in. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear like TV in the background or something. I don't know if you can, but like I can hear it. My brothers are watching YouTube or something. I don't know. It looks weird, but it's just the lighting. Like I promise you my neck is not that much darker than my... You know what? I'm just going to blend it down because I feel like it is a little bit darker. But I'm doing like a kind of like sort of a smoky eye, but like not really. I did it for my cousin's wedding and it looked really pretty, so that's what I'm like recreating. Then I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair, and I'm just gonna highlight and put it under my eyes. You'll see the whole shebang. Take the excess onto my eyelids as like an eyeshadow primer. I'm weird, like I blend it in with my fingers and then with the beauty blender. I don't know why I do that. The Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say. But I'm just going to set my face with that and kind of bake, like sort of. I don't like looking dewy unless it's highlighter. I feel like on me it just looks really like greasy because my face gets oily really fast. So then I like look glowy for like a good 10 minutes and then I'm just like disgusting. See, it's so light, it's like barely baking. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows with the NYX Tame & Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in the shade Blonde. I might do it off camera just because I like it to look really precise, and my mirror's kind of like a distance away, so we'll just see how it works out. I used the spoolie for the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow, oh my god, I can't speak. I never can in videos. Whatever, brow, I don't know, this thing. And it works really well, but it comes out like it's very thin, and I'm looking for my brush. I should probably just keep them on the counter. I ran out of it in like a month, and this has lasted me so long that it's not even worth it. Maybe I'll try the Anastasia brow like pomade, but this one works pretty well. I usually do my makeup with music on, and like I can hear every brush stroke now. It's so weird like that I don't have music playing. I like kind of just brush them out however which way I want because I clean them up in the end. So like even if it looks messy, it won't. I'm done. Now I'm just going to clean them up with the same concealer. I'm going to do 4 little dots. I am kind of running out of it, but I use the Maybelline Great Lash as a brow gel. Oh, I didn't even say what I'm using. Hoola Bronzer Benefit. Love it. Favorite. I like it as an eyeshadow too. Chocolate bar palette, I'm going to use milk chocolate. Just taking milk chocolate over like my lid, kind of over where I put the base for Hoola, because I feel like putting Hoola on first helps it blend better. Now I'm taking Semi-Sweet and again just darkening it, kind of more on the edges though. This little like slanted brush, and I'm going to be taking Triple Fudge, so it's this dark one. I'm just putting it like on my lash line and then blending it really well. Hoola on my bottom lash line, and then I'm going to take milk chocolate and help blend it there too. Now I'm going to bronze up my face and kind of contour a little bit with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Baked a little bit underneath my contour. I feel like I talked way too much in the beginning and now I like don't know what to say. This blush kit that I have from Benefit, and I'm kind of just mixing like all of this. Heat up my eyelash curler because I think it like makes it stick better, and curl my eyelashes and do mascara and all of that. Okay, so I forgot first I'm going to do a little eyeliner. I don't usually do it, so that's why I like forgot. I did my mascara off camera because it takes me a while and I just like have to go to like different angles to get it the way I want it, so it's just, this is it. For the mascara though, I used Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal in Waterproof. So now I'm going to set everything with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And then to highlight, I'm using the Becca highlighter in Opal, and then also the Vermeer color. It's this one in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette. It dries. Do my lipstick. I just needed chapstick before I do that. So to line my lips, I'm using the Kylie lip color in Malibu, and then for my like actual lip color, I'm using the Revlon matte lip color in, I think, Seduction. I said that in my last Get Ready With Me because I use the same lip combination. Literally, I don't know the name of this, but this is what it looks like. And it's hard to do on camera. Makeup look, and then we're going to move on to my hair and outfit. Okay, so I got a little cold, so I put a cardigan on. But now I'm just going to curl my hair. I'm going to try and do really loose curls. I want it to be like very, very loose, so hopefully I can do that because I always end up making them way too tight. So I'm using my Numi curling wand. It's heating up right now. It's not on my bed. Don't worry, I have like a hard surface. Like I'm not going to burn my house down. It's actually ready right now, but yeah, this is the biggest barrel. But to protect my hair from the heat, I'm going to first use this Heat Protectant by Tresemme. I'm going to brush it through. way the curls go because I don't like when they all like blend together. I think it like makes my hair look weird. I think you guys get the gist of it. I'm not gonna make you watch me do it the whole time because that would be very extra, but I'll come back to you after it's all done. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spray a little bit of hairspray into it and then brush it out with my fingers. I'm gonna change into my outfit and show you guys the whole finished look, and yeah, we'll just go ahead and get started doing that. Okay, so this dress is from Nordstrom, and then my jacket is from Fashion Nova, and then this necklace is from Forever 21. And my shoes are by Jessica Simpson. They're just like nude heels. My whole like vibe is like soft pink slash like nude, you know. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, got some inspiration for whatever little thing you guys have going on to like dress up and look all fancy and cute. So yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please do. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.